Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to be talking about all the polishes I wore for the month of November and December. I don't remember hashtags. I don't remember anything. It seems like this was like years ago, but I just want to talk about what I wore because I did wear some really pretty stuff. And I don't even know if I'm doing it like in the right order or any of that, but I had some really pretty manicures, so I did want to share. And then I wanted to show you guys, my son's girlfriend made me this shirt too. It says Polish Talk, and it's like this really pretty rose gold, and it has like little nail polish bottles. And then she made me another sweater that says Murder Shows and Comfy Clothes. And she gave them to me for after Christmas, so I'm like really excited. I have some really cute Polish Talk merch that she's made me, and maybe I'll start selling it. If you guys are interested, let me know. But I was like, look at how cute. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm pretty sure this is the first thing I wore in November, and this is called Royal Wishes, and this is from the brand Bonita. You guys, look how pretty this is. So this is like a really pretty deep blue with some really beautiful shimmer. This is from like a limited edition Queen collection or like royalty collection they had done. I found it while I was on vacation because I don't have any Rite Aids by me. And I found it there, and I picked this one up in another one, and then I just put it in a drawer, completely forgot about it for years and years and years. And now that I've been cleaning out my drawers trying to find stuff to destash, I decided to put this on, and you guys, so good. It was a little bit on the sheer side. It is 3 coats to get opaque, but it was so beautiful. I feel like indies have pulled us away from mainstreams, but there's like some really beautiful mainstreams in my collection, and I'm just like, this was one of them. Totally perfect hidden treasure in my collection. I loved it. Then I decided to wear this combination together. These were 2 polishes I had on my fall winter rack. I got a bunch of these Shleee polishes in a destash, and I just had not worn them. So this is Shleee Kamui, I don't know. Anyway, it's a really beautiful like navy blue jelly base, and then look at all that glitter, you guys. So pretty. I was trying to wear more polishes, and so I decided to pair it with Ulta 3 Black Plum. This was sent to me by my friend Angela from Australia, and it's an Australian like drugstore brand, I think. And this is really gorgeous too. It's like a really beautiful brick red with all this gorgeous like gold shimmer. Separately, I loved them. Together, I felt like it was giving me some weird like patriotic vibes in the middle of November, which I was not down for. I should have worn them separately, and I think I would have enjoyed it more, but both really pretty on their own. I'm excited to try some more Shleee. I bought like 7 or 8, so I'm excited to try more. I have some more on my fall and winter rack, and hopefully I'll get to them soon. And then I have a few more of these Ulta 3s that she sent over to that I'm really excited to try because the formula on this was really good. Joel's interrupting my video to show you guys his nails on camera.
They look better than my mom's, but it's whatever.
He says they look better than mine, but they don't.
They do have better nails than me.
He does have better nails than me, and I am jealous. Like, the polish went on so well on his nails, but the only reason they look so good is because I did them.
I better go in your video.
Bye. He's on his way to work. Next, I have 2 Pinup Paints. And these were sent to me as a gift by the maker of Pinup Paint, Jenny. Her and I have kind of bonded. She actually lives in Colorado, and we have like very similar backgrounds, and we have a lot in common. And so she's really sweet. We chat quite a bit, and she sent me part of her s'mores collection just as a little like gift, which I thought was so sweet. So I tried these 2 polishes, you guys, and oh my gosh, I love. So this one is called Coco, and it's just a really deep sort of like red based brown, and it dries matte. It's beautiful. Formula on this was really good. 2 coats to get opaque. I really enjoyed this color. It sort of gives me People of Color Beauty like Mother Earth vibes, Mother of Earth, which you guys know is my favorite brown ever. So really good. And then this topper is adorable. This is called Golden Char, and it's like gold and silver glitters and all kinds of different sizes. There's a little bit of black glitters in there. This combination together was adorable. I really enjoyed the topper as well. I got some really beautiful glitter payoff. Super fun manicure. I felt very glamorous. And I just really enjoyed it. So if you have not tried Pinup Paint, I recommend the polishes. They have really good formulas, and the owner is really a sweetheart. Then next, I had my surgery. I hadn't been doing my nails. I've been laying around, and I just desperately like wanted to feel normal, so I decided to paint my nails. And I went with Pretty Beautiful Unlimited's Prototype 242. This had been on my fall rack. And this is just like a really beautiful pinky mauve sort of grandma shade. But there's a lot of like really beautiful like glitter and sparkle in here. So this sort of reminded me of like a really dressed up fancy grandma, like my grandma's going on a blind date, or my grandma's going to Vegas or something like that. My grandma loves Vegas, by the way. And so it was really pretty. I loved the formula. It had a great formula, 2 coats to get opaque. So this was part of like my first ever Pretty Beautiful Unlimited order off her site. I had bought a few things off PPU, but I had never shopped her site. So I went on the site, you guys, and she has these like prototypes, and she sells them for like $4 or $5, which is crazy. And then she was having a sale at the same time, so I got some of the polishes for like $3, which is amazing. So this is one of the first ones I've worn, but I got a bunch of like really fun like crowley prototypes, some fun creams. So if you have not checked out Pretty Beautiful Unlimited, I would definitely head over to the site, because I feel like she has some really good polish, like at a really good value. So again, this one was Prototype 242. Then I got one Christmas manicure on the nails. That was it, because I was basically in healing mode. You know, do I feel good today? Do I not? Kind of thing. So this is Baking Spirits Bright from KB Shimmer. This came out in the 2020 winter collection. You guys, oh, this is adorable. It's a white crowley polish with red and green micro glitters. I was obsessed with this on the nails. It reminds me of like frosting or like those frosted cookies. So cute. If you are a crowley lover like I am, and you like festive polishes, I would definitely recommend this. So freaking cute. And then I decided to do a little bit of nail art. So I did some dotting with my dotting tools, which were like long forgotten, and I did some red and white dots on top, and I really liked the way it looked. It was reminding me of like cookies or like a Christmas cake. And the dots I used Stay Off the Lawn from the OPI I want to say Kerry Washington collection. I don't know if that's what it was. It was based on that show, but this is one of my favorite greens ever, you guys. That whole collection was amazing. I feel like that was one of the best collections OPI has done in a while. And then I used Big Apple Red as the other polish. This is one of my favorite reds, even though it's not as blue based as I normally like. I just really like this on the nails. I feel like it's very chic, very classic, and just very sexy. So I did my dots with these two. I loved this manicure. I thought it was super cute. Then I was having sort of like a mental block, so I asked my husband to pick some polishes for me, and he went with these two. So this is Marc Jacobs Shocking. I got this in a D-stash for $5 or $4, which was like score. I love the bottle. This little cap comes off so that you can just paint with this little black cap, which is perfect. Has a great brush, had a great formula, super easy to apply, very glossy, very shiny. I was obsessed with this color, you guys. To me, this is just like a classic pink, and it was perfect. And then I decided to do a little bit like smush nail art, because I didn't know how to combine these two colors my husband picked. I was like, so this is Kiss Gel's Pitapat. I got this at my dollar store, not Dollar General, but the actual, I think it's Dollar Tree, and it was called Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. This had an amazing formula, you guys. For $1 polish, I was totally blown away. It's sort of like a cross between a purple and a gray. It's really beautiful. I think it's super flattering, very interesting, and again, for $1, like, you just cannot go wrong. I enjoyed the brush on this. Let me show it to you really quick. It's not the wide paddle that I'm like is my favorite, but this is not super thin, which is good. It's just a nice kind of wider brush. Oops, I painted my hand. but it went on really smooth. 2 coats to get opaque. I think if you had shorter nails, you could get away with 1 coat. My dollar store stopped selling these, and I don't know why, or I haven't seen them around for a while, but I did pick up quite a few when my Dollar Tree did start having them, and I'm excited to try more now because this was so good, like so good. And it just goes to show you, like, polish quality is not dictated by price. You can pay, you know, $15 for a cream polish, or, you know, $14 if you think of like Cirque, which never disappoints either. But then, like, this is $1 and it's amazing. Then I did this combination, and I was obsessed, you guys, completely obsessed. So I used Chalky Pink from my recent H&M Black Friday haul. The formula on this was a little bit on the sheer side. I did end up needing using 2 coats, but I think if I weren't going to top it with a topper, I would have needed 3. I did love the color though. I thought it was very flattering and very pretty. I do like the brush they have on these. I have never tried an H&M polish, so I wasn't sure what to expect, but it has the wide paddle I really love. I just wish the formula was a little bit more opaque, but for a light pink like this, it wasn't, you know, horrible. And again, very flattering. Then I topped it with this Starrily polish. This is called Rose Petals. So I've always wanted to try Starrily, but I've just let the price kind of keep me away. And then my husband went on a trip and he picked me up 3 Starrily polishes. And this was one of them. And you guys, this is so fun. It's basically like crushed up like red glitter shards, or like pinkish red glitter shards. It is a little bit hard to the shards come out, but they definitely need to be placed. You do have to do manipulation, but I loved the look. I think it gives you this look of like nail art, but lazy nail art, which you guys know I'm totally for because I'm lazy. And these glitter shards are so reflective. They do lay flat for the most part. I had like maybe 1 on all my fingers that was a little bit crazy, so I did do like an extra layer of top coat just to kind of tame it down just a bit. But overall, I really loved this topper, you guys. I'm excited to try the other 2 Starrylys that he got me as an actual manicure. But this is definitely like a not all the time treat because they are like $15 a bottle, which is extreme. But this was really pretty. So, and I loved the manicure. Then I forgot I wore this polish I made. I named it Experimental Madness, and I made this using the DRK nail polish kit from PPU. So I made this in a video that I shared with you guys, and then I put it on and I wore it on the nails for a couple of days. It's a black base with like a bunch of iridescent flakies in it. I thought it was really cute. And I also forgot I wore this Emily Damali limited edition 250. This was from her Black Friday sale. You guys, I was obsessed with this. The green base is amazing. It has like these red glitters and some yellow glitters. Super fun. Great formula. I can't believe I forgot I wore this. So I didn't get a ton worn for 2 months worth of time, but I did wear quite a bit of things that I did like. I'm not going to go back and show favorite manicures just because so much time has passed. Like, I literally feel like 100 years has passed since I did these manicures, physically and mentally. So I'm not going to do that. But you guys did some really beautiful stuff. I was definitely checking out everybody's manicures while I was in recovery mode. And thank you guys for posting and tagging me. Like, sometimes, like, I would just be laying in bed and be so tired and just grouchy and, like, frustrated. And I would be like, oh, let me see what everybody posted. And your manicures made me very happy. Thank you guys for your participation in the Polish Talk Challenge. And that's it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And thanks you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!